How to enable screen time limits on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can enable screen time limits on Android. So before we begin, if you're new here, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. So let's just jump right in. So to enable screen time limits on Android, you'll need to use the built-in digital well-being and parental control features. So the first step you will need to take is locate your settings and then open it up. After you open up your settings, you will then need to scroll down till you find the digital well-being and parental controls. So after you find and locate the digital well-being, head over there. And after you're here, you can then see in which app you consume or in which app you spend most of your time in. So you can look at that and then you can identify the apps in which you'll need to set the screen limits on. So scroll down, there you will see screen time reminders. You can set that as well. You can set app timers, you can set bedtime modes and focus mode. So those are the options. So if you tap on app timer, so if you look at the chart, you will notice that I spend most of my time in my Instagram. So I'll just head over to app timers, find my Instagram, tap on this icon and set a timer for it. So from tomorrow, I'm just going to use it for maybe an hour. So if I set it at an hour and then tap on OK, now I'll just be able to use it for an hour. And that's how you do it. You can also set a screen time reminder, tap on it. So you can tap on this turn on option and you're good. And that's basically it. That's how you enable screen time limits on Android. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.